The Construction Industry Council Board is demanding the government withdraw the Memorandum of Understanding MOU it signed with China Construction America, South America Division for to carry out the redevelopment of downtown Kingston. The local construction players insist the MOU is an infringement on the rights of Jamaican contractors and construction workers. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Local contractors at a press briefing on Thursday showing displeasure at the Memorandum of Understanding that was signed recently between the government, the Chinese construction company CCASA, and the Urban Development Corporation. Under the MOU, the participants have agreed to collaborate in undertaking an extensive redevelopment of the capital city, in particular downtown. The redevelopment will include a new parliament building, a government campus, along with other housing and commercial infrastructure. But the Construction Industry Council Board has an issue with how the Chinese construction company was chosen.
The MOU must provide for something that we can do. We don't have nobody here can design a building at all, right? The unsolicited proposal, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm saying makes the MOU itself illegal, and we need to, we should continue to drill down on that. So one, there's that. It also says that if you had thought of this idea before and had been working on it, then you cannot accept an unsolicited proposal. UDC showed us, those of us who attended down there, showed us a full design of the downtown development. So why are you accepting a proposal to redo what you had already been doing?
They want the government to withdraw the MOU. Clifton Yap insists that the approval was not done in an open and transparent way.
This unsolicited offer from CCASA is unacceptable under the government of Jamaica's own procurement guidelines, because an offer cannot be considered unsolicited if it is based on known and ongoing development projects, which in fact, as was said, UDC had been working on for years.
Mr. Yap sought to address a statement made by the Chinese ambassador.
So for the Chinese ambassador to suggest, as was reported, that local professionals must prove that they, meaning we, can do a better service, is really adding insult to injury, because our own government had already excluded us from the opportunity to compete. It is even more egregious because China Construction is a construction company. It's not a design company. It's not an architectural firm or planning firm.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.